Now, can anyone guess what type of animal that when they're born around 6 feet tall? What can that be? I'm about 5'9" right now, so that means that this animal, when it's born, it's already taller than me. What can it be? Here's a hint. It has a very, very long neck. It's a giraffe. That's right. Giraffes are mammals. They have a very, very long neck and pretty fast, and they live in Africa. When they're born, the babies are born 6 feet tall, and the adults grow to be very, very tall. The neck is so long that just to get blood into the head, it requires a complex structure of pumps and valves and stuff like that. It's crazy. And believe it or not, as large as they are, some lions actually try to eat giraffes and actually succeed in doing that. It's very dangerous because giraffes are very dangerous animals. They're big and powerful. And when they fight each other, they actually hit each other with their necks. Boom. Like that. Boom. That's just crazy. That's just bananas. Check this out.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
What'd I tell you? That was pretty cool, huh? Very, very long necks, very, very tall animals. I've always loved giraffes, you know. They're very cool looking, and at the same time, you know, very weird looking. Cool and weird, but they're still awesome animals. So, I just thought I'd show you that. Now, I'm gonna show you another cool animal. Now this one, when I was a kid, I used to watch animal shows all the time, almost every day. You know, animals from Africa, Australia, and everything, especially Africa. And you see, you know, lots of times lions chasing zebras down and eating them, but also chasing these next animals called wildebeest. I'm sure some of you have seen these before, not in Florida, you know, on TV. Wildebeest. I kind of feel bad for them because in Africa, I mean, lots of different type of animals love to eat them. I mentioned, you know, the lions, hyenas, African wild dogs, leopards. It's crazy. They get preyed on by almost every type predator over there. And every year, almost 1 million of them have to migrate at certain parts of, you know, Africa. That's a very dangerous journey because some of them have to cross the river. And in the river, you have this big Nile crocodiles just waiting for them. But they have to cross them. They have to cross that, you know, just to find fresh food and water and stuff like that, especially food. And the crocodiles know that these wildebeest are gonna cross this part of the river at this part of the year, and they just wait for them. And while most of them do make it across, a lot of them don't. A lot of them get eaten up by the crocodiles. But anyway, check out this beautiful animal called the wildebeest. Thank you for watching another wonderful episode of Fitz Wildlife Adventures. My name is Dr. Fitz, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.